everybody, it's your girl Mike Kayla, and today I'm back with another video. So in this video we're going to be making a DIY deep conditioner mask. And first you're going to need your Miracle Whip, you're going to need you a banana, you're going to need you 2 eggs, some grapeseed oil, and some olive oil. You're going to pour both the grapeseed oil and the olive oil in a cup so you can make you a nice little oil mixture. Then you're going to take all that stuff upstairs to your bathroom and you're going to grab you a container. I'm using an old deep treatment mask that I got from Shea Moisture container because I ran out of that deep conditioner, so I'm making my own. Then you're going to get your favorite conditioner. My favorite personally is the Aussie Moist Miracle Curl because it really moisturizes my hair. And sadly, I didn't have that much this time around, so I advise you guys to have a lot of conditioner because I believe that's what makes the mixture thicker. Then you're going to add some mayonnaise because I think that adds protein. It does something. I'm really not sure. I just watched a whole bunch of videos. So yeah. And then you're going to add a banana. I didn't have a blender, so I only took half a banana because I didn't want to have to mash up too much of the banana. And to make it easier to mash, I just broke it up into pieces and put it inside the mixture. Now you're going to take your eggs and you're going to crack them. You're going to put them in that mixture. I suggest you only use 1 egg because that second egg really made my mixture very, very watery, and I didn't like that. So only add 1 egg if you want it to be thicker. Now you just kind of mix, and as you can see right now, I'm hitting it because I'm trying to mush those bananas and make them softer. Now shake. I'm just playing. Shake that mixture up to really get it all clumped together. Then you're going to add your oil and you're going to mix that in because you need those oils to really add that moisture and seal in that moisture. And this is the mixture that I got. You can see a lot of the clumps from the bananas, but don't mind that. Now start up that shower and go ahead and shampoo your hair. And I'll see you later. Now that my hair is all shampooed, I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair into sections and get ready to add in this deep conditioner. Don't forget to use some hair ties and a wide tooth comb. Now that my hair is sectioned, I'm going to go ahead and add in all that mask and really get it all in there because you want to make sure that all your hair is rejuvenated. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and just add that mask. And those clumps, I actually put it in my hair and just smushed it in and forced it in my hair because it was going to go in there. Now comb that all in and make sure that your hair is properly detangled because you want to make sure that your hair is the best it can be. Now I'm using my Denman brush to clump all those curls together, and you're going to repeat that same process on the rest of your hair. Now that I finished that front section, I'm going to take off that back section and I'm going to clump the curls together to make sure that that whole side is fully detangled and ready to wash out. Put that side away and repeat that same process on the other side. And I think right here I started mocking my dog because he was barking at another dog. Don't mind me, I'm being dumb. Now that both sections are done and fully moisturized, I'm going to comb them both all together to make sure that my hair is fully detangled because that is very important because you just got to make sure your hair is amazing, you know what I'm saying? Now let that sit for about 20 minutes and put you on a nice little cap and I'll be back. So now all that deep conditioner is washed out and this is what it looks like. Despite its look, because that's just what my hair looks like, it is very moisturized and it was very soft, and I actually really loved how it came out. And I'm going to do this every other week because this is really nice. As you can see, I gave you that little thumbs up. Now I'm going to section my hair and I'm going to begin to moisturize. I'm going to be using my Cream of Nature Curl Repair Leave-In Conditioner, which is a savior for me. And I'm going to add that to that back section, and I'm going to finger detangle, and then I'm going to grab my wide tooth comb and comb that out because my fingers can't do all the work, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm going to braid that to section that side off and do that same exact thing to the next 3 sections. Now that I'm done moisturizing all sections, I'm going to take all those braids out, and then I'm going to add my oil mixture from the beginning to make sure that that moisture is sealed in. I usually do the LCO method, but I don't have a cream anymore. I ran out and no hair stores are open because, you know, Ms. Rona is out and she's popping. So I'm just using the LO method, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm going to take my Wild Growth oil because, you know, you got to keep those growing juices flowing because you want to have that long and luscious hair. Now I'm just going to gather all my hair up into a nice little messy bun looking thing with my velvet scrunchie so that it can be ready to be styled the next day. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on all my socials. They are in the description down below. And also count how many times I say you know what I'm saying, because I said that way too much. Love you all. Bye.